Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for CFA Level 1 by self-study. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and the 10 topic areas. Next, develop a comprehensive study plan, allocating sufficient time for each section. It's crucial to be consistent and disciplined with your schedule. Always prioritize the official CFA Institute curriculum and practice questions as your primary resources. This foundational approach will set you up for success from the very beginning. When studying, concentrate on truly understanding the underlying concepts rather than simply memorizing facts. The CFA exam tests your application of knowledge. Regularly work through a large volume of practice questions to solidify your understanding and identify weak areas. Taking full-length mock exams under timed conditions is also essential to build stamina and manage your time effectively. Consistent review of difficult topics will help reinforce your learning. While the official curriculum is paramount, consider supplementing your studies with materials from reputable third-party providers for alternative explanations or additional practice. Engaging with online forums or study groups can provide valuable insights and motivation. Regularly track your progress to identify areas needing more attention and be flexible enough to adjust your study plan as you go. This adaptive approach ensures you're always optimizing your learning. In the final weeks, focus on simulating actual exam conditions with several full-length mock tests. This helps you get comfortable with the format and pacing. Crucially, prioritize adequate rest and good nutrition leading up to the exam day to ensure you are mentally and physically prepared. On the day itself, arrive early, stay calm, and trust your preparation. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.